Hi, I'm Jenny Kringle with Vim and Vibe Productions, and I wanted to give you a little sneak peek behind the curtain in how we do what we do. I get asked this question a lot, so I wanted to share a little bit with you. So, first thing is we start with the learner at the core of the design. So, a lot of instructional design will start with an end objective. It'll be steps, it's a process, and in some cases, that is the way that something should be taught. But with what we're teaching around leadership development, we're start with the learner and what is their transformation going to be. We really go into their heart and soul and want to take them from one place and get them to another place. And that's really about thinking and behaving differently. Number two, we are TV style microlearning exclusively for leadership development. And so when I say TV style, think about, if I said, what TV show that's centered around business do you watch? Well, there's all kinds of shows. You have Suits, you have The Office, you have Succession, you have Startup, Empire. There's many shows out there that are captivating and have great storylines that really keep people engaged. And that's how we design our shows. It's all about creating really compelling characters, creating storylines, creating problems, issues that they have to overcome, and taking that learner from a transformation, like I said in step one, but through an entertaining medium, which is how people are learning now. They're learning on TikTok. They're learning on YouTube. Those are the top two learning platforms really out there for the consumer. So why wouldn't we teach people that work the same way? And then number three, we have integrated in our subject matter experts who are all historically underutilized business leaders and or veterans. And so it really brings different perspectives and brings diversity in thought and experience and knowledge that is really lacking in the course design and course facilitation arena. So those are some quick things. Thanks.